Hello. DuckDB released version 1.4.3 yesterday, and it has an interest in new functionality. Basically, you can write to Azure Storage, at least the blob for now. So we'll use it to show this demo. So this is a Python notebook in Fabric, and here I am attaching an existing lakehouse. So what I will do, okay, start 3 seconds. That's nice. It will take some time here to upgrade because currently we're using an old version 1.2. Hopefully it will be updated soon. In the meantime, you can just upgrade. Just make sure when you upgrade to restart the kernel using this, and there is another command. Otherwise, the system will keep using the old version, which you don't want to. All right, this one I have done it already, so you wouldn't be interested in doing this. Let's restart the kernel. Let's just call it hello world and do it again. So the only thing that matter here, you get a token, and then you write to Onelake. Make sure it's the table sections, but the database itself cannot be on Onelake. So here we're using we mounted Onelake. So for DuckDB, it thinks it's a local file system because you cannot write DuckDB database in an object store. So you can use it in your laptop if you want. This one will take, I think, 2 minutes, and it's just a standard database. So first we create schema if it does not exist, and then same thing, create table. Let's just make it bigger. And here it will scan delta. Currently, obviously you can read delta, but you cannot write. So as I said, it will take 2 minutes. So probably there is no point for you guys waiting. The same thing here. We're going to create 3 tables. And once it's done, we'll do checkpoint. Checkpoint is just for sanity check. It will come back if you have like a lot of small files or, well, actually it took less than 2 minutes. So that's sweet. Let's see the usage. Yeah, it's all right, 100%. And the RAM, yeah, it peaked nearly 100 and then slowed down, so that's nice. Here, because obviously Onelake understands only Delta or Iceberg, it has no idea about this Ducklake thing. So I create this small program, or rather Claude did, not me, but I will just take the credit. And it will export the metadata. So let's refresh and it should work. So the schema was hello world. Yes. Yeah, so it's a nice delta table. Because what matter really is Parquet. This whole format thing is just a metadata thing. And hopefully Ducklake add native support. Now we're going to do something different. So, because we're writing the database which contain all the metadata, it should be hello world. So we'll take the path and then we'll go to my laptop and we're going to read it. And keep in mind, it's not the same region. Actually, it's not even the same continent, and it's pretty fast, I would say, as Onelake. Now, before I do that, let's put the timer on. I need to do it. Like, I can't write. Let's attach as Onelake. It should take less than 10 seconds. 8 seconds, that's all right. Then when you do show all tables, yeah, 2 seconds, that's nice. Now let's connect to hello world. Yeah, sorry. You need first to connect Onelake dot. Okay, then let's see the record in summary. Five seconds, that's not bad. Now let's run a proper aggregation. Keep in mind, it's 100. Yeah, actually we can count it. You will notice the first run is slower because it's reading from Onelake, but the second run will be substantially faster because DuckDB basically cache the data. Actually, not the whole parquet, only the column and the rows. So basically, when you run first query, it will just grab all necessary data, and the second time it will just fetch it from memory, which is an order of magnitude faster. I hope you enjoy video, and hopefully soon that support for proper writing to delta table. Thanks.